Hey guys, let me show you how to make chicken vegetable sauce.
Don't go back to basics, boring.
To debone my drumstick, I will first cut off the cartilage at the top, then pull down using the motion on the screen. The meat should separate easily from the bone. Just pull to the base and cut it off. The rest of the base, just cut it off that way. It's so easy and you have juicy chicken. This should take about 30 seconds. I am dicing my chicken. To my chicken, I am adding all the minced ginger and garlic. I'm adding just enough bullion cube. Then this mixture is not just soy sauce. In it has soy sauce, it has oyster sauce, and it has white rice wine vinegar. Mix together to marinate your chicken and then set it aside. To a clean pot, add some of the oil, any kind of oil would do. Then pour in your onion and let it fry for a moment. Once it's turning translucent in about 2 to 3 minutes, go in with your marinated chicken and let this fry for as long as it takes to cook. Cover and let it cook. Once it's done cooking, you can open it so that the liquids can evaporate. Go in with your scotch bonnet and some of the mixture that I told you earlier. I'll put in the caption the exact ratio I used in mixing it. Then go in with your salt. Try to balance this out because soy sauce can also be salty. Mix this together and then cover to cook again. Once this is well cooked, go in with your carrot, stir together, then go in with your chilies. The chilies is not compulsory, I just like the heat. After the scotch bonnet, you can always skip this or skip the scotch bonnet for this, but I'd like to have that kick. Go in with your bell peppers. I used green, yellow and red bell peppers. Mix together, mix and mix. Make sure it combines. Once it's all combined, cover and let it cook for about 2 minutes. Then I have mixed more of the same mixture. I will put the exact ratio in the caption. Pour it in to create some sort of liquid. Stir together. Once you've stirred it in, pour in your water and corn flour mixture. The slurry that you make, pour it in and cover to cook for about 2 minutes. Once this is cooked, open your pot, then go in immediately with your spring onion. Stir together to combine and cover to cook for about 1 to 2 minutes, then take it off the fire. Serve and enjoy. Thank you so much for seeing this video till the end. I look forward to seeing you in the next one.
Cook it yourself. Don't go back to basics, boring. Tasteless, face it, it's just better to